Hi, today we're going to cover off E for exchange rates, also known as FX, using real world examples that will resonate with everyone. So check out my A to Z series, I hope you enjoyed the video. Let's get into it. So today we're going to talk about exchange rates, which may sound a little boring at first, but trust me, it's actually really interesting. Have you ever travelled to another country and had to exchange your money for the local currency? That's where exchange rates come in. They tell you how much one currency is worth compared to another. For example, if you have $1 and the exchange rate between the US dollar and the euro is 0.85, that means you need 0.85 euros to get $1. But if the exchange rate goes up to 0.9, that means you need more euros to get $1. Exchange rates are changing all the time, literally by the second. What makes exchange rates go up and down? There are many different things that can influence exchange rates. One big factor is a country's economy. If a country has a strong economy and people are buying lots of things from that country, the exchange rate might go up. That's because more people want to buy the currency of that country so they can buy things from there. Think about demand and supply from my previous video if you've not seen it. Another factor is politics. When there's a big news event or a change in government policies, that can impact exchange rates. For example, if there's a big election coming up in a country, the exchange rate might be affected because people might be unsure about what will happen if a new leader comes into power. International trade also plays a role in the exchange rates. If a country is exporting a lot of goods to other countries, its currency might become more valuable because other countries need that currency to pay for those goods. The important thing to remember is that exchange rates can change all the time, so it's always a good idea to keep an eye on them if you're travelling or buying things online from other countries. Finally, let's talk about how to read exchange rates. We know that exchange rates are usually shown in pairs like US dollar to euro or USD to JPY. The first currency is called the base currency and the second currency is called the quote currency. To read exchange rates, you need to know what the numbers mean. If the exchange rate for US dollar to euro is 0.91, that means you need 0.91 euros to buy $1. If you look at the video off to the side, you can see that if we scroll down, you can see some tables with some example conversions. The left-hand side shows the US dollar as the base currency. Example, $1 will buy you 0.91 euros. $5 4.55 euros, and so on. The right hand side shows euro as the base currency, so €1 will buy 1.098 US, and so on. Now, if the exchange rate goes up to 0.95, that means you need more euros to buy $1. Your holiday from Europe to the US has just got more expensive. If we scroll further down, we can see a graph which tracks the currency over time. If we hover over the graph, it tells us the rate on that particular day. Exchange rates can be a little bit tricky to understand at first, and remember, it's always a good idea to check exchange rates before you travel or make purchases from abroad. Thanks for watching.